Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to look up your pictures when you're SSHing, or when you've taken a picture with your AIY Google Vision Kit and you want to see your pictures. This is how you do it. So first of all, you need to go into your HomePy directory, and if you haven't seen my previous video, all you got to do is write cd and then write /home/pi, and it should go into this directory. If it doesn't immediately go there, you can do an ls and it will show you all this. But basically what you need to look at is the pictures, because this is where the pictures will be stored when you take one, by clicking the button on your Raspberry Pi, or by typing in a command, and then it could also do that way. Anyway, you could cd into that directory pictures, and I did something wrong obviously, because oh yes, of course, I didn't put the capital P in pictures, and it's extremely annoying about having everything to be exactly precise the way it's been written, otherwise it doesn't work. Anyway, in this, when I do an ls, it should tell you that it has a certain file, 2020-04, and a certain JPEG, because that's the format that they're using here. But to show you, the same thing is if you SSH into your Pi using this other program called WinSCP, that you can download easily from this other website called NINITE. So it's Ninite or something like that. You can download this other software, and what it does is it shows you a graphical version of the sort of DOS Linux sort of program. So in this, it's easy. If you go back here, this takes you to the home Pi, and then if you press pictures, it's the same as writing cd pictures in here, and then you find the same picture that we had. Now if you try to open it like this, what you're gonna get is a bunch of mumbo jumbo, but this is just how a picture displays in code. So remember the Matrix? Neo used to read this kind of stuff and be able to see pictures. Well, in real life, most of us can't do that. So what we do is we just drag and drop that onto our desktop. There we go. And the picture will appear over here. When you double click on it, you'll be able to see it. It was blurry, we were just playing around. But that shows you how this works. Anyway, hope this video was very helpful to you guys. And all you got to do is have Putty for the SSH, and the other one is WinSCP, and you can do that on your PC, which is connected to your Raspberry Pi. Anyway, see you in the next video.